Okay, so I am going to show you how I curl my hair. So this is just all natural. I washed my hair the night before last and just let it air dry. I didn't do anything to it. So I'm going to show you how I curl it from start to finish. First thing is the curling iron that I use. I use just a Conair. It's kind of, I think it was like 15 bucks at Ulta. I've had it for years, but just a Conair 1 inch. You can use whatever size you want. Just keep in mind the smaller the curling iron, the tighter the curls, and obviously the bigger the curling iron, the looser the curls. So I like 1 inch, and I also like 1 1/4 inch. So those are my two go-tos that I like, but I'm usually doing the 1 inch. So this is which one I have. Like I said, you don't need a fancy one. This one's Conair and it's lasted me forever. So I use this curling iron. Another tip that I do, another thing that's important on how I curl my hair, because there's different ways, which I've learned. It's so funny, I wish you guys knew. When I lived in Korea, I sat and watched videos on how to curl my hair because it would drive me crazy. I would always curl this half, I would do this side, and the curls would look different. I didn't realize what I was doing was curling this side out and this side in, and it was driving me crazy that I never knew why my hair wasn't matching. So I would sit and watch videos and videos trying to learn how to curl my hair, which is kind of funny. So anyways, how I do it now is I curl my hair out. So it's personal preference. I like my curls to go away from my face. So you always want to make sure that the curling iron, when you put it on your hair, that you're going outwards. So if you want, you can go inwards. It's up to you, but it's going to give you a different look. So whatever you want to do, just make sure that you do the same on both sides, or you're going to be like me and have mismatched hair. So anyways, I will show you exactly what I do. So I start off with the bottom layer. So I'll just section it and clip it off like so. So I take about 1 inch thick pieces, about that, and I take my curling iron. I like to run it through once just to get it kind of smooth and get it a little warm. And so I'll start about in the middle and I'll start to curl it up towards my base of my hair, and then I slowly scoot it down. And it's kind of hard to see. What I like to do is I leave about 1 inch to 2 inches out of the barrel. I don't curl all the way down. So that kind of gives, I don't know, the ends are a little straighter, and like I said, that's just my personal preference. So I'm going to do that again. Take my curling iron and go all the way down. Right when I get to the middle, I start to roll up, and then I kind of just scoot it down as I go. And then I leave the 1 to 2 inches out, and then I just pull it out. So my curling iron gets really hot, so I only have to hold it in for maybe 3 to 5 seconds. So depending on how hot your curling iron is, you don't have to hold it that long, and it really doesn't take me, I want to say it takes me about 10 minutes all the way through to do my whole head. Same thing this side. And then do this one, but once you get the hang of it, you can whip it out really fast and get it done. And it's super nice if you get it done at the beginning of the week. I usually don't have to curl my hair again. I may touch up a curl or two, but my hair holds curl really well, so I'm lucky. So I don't have to do my hair because I'm lazy and don't like to do it. But same thing, it's going away from my face. Leave the 2 inches out and then just pull it. So that is all I do. That is the first layer, and I literally just do the same thing through the layers. So I don't want this video to be a million years long, so I'm going to speed it up and just show you exactly. I'll probably, when it gets to the top, I do stuff a little different, so I'll show you how to do the top, but I'm just going to go through and show you how I do each layer. Okay, so now my last layer. I pretty much actually do the same thing. The only thing that's different is I like to take my curling iron and kind of smooth through the top just so that there's no little flyaways or anything like that. But other than that, it's all pretty much the same. Just like to smooth out the top to get away any kinks or anything from the night before or however my hair dries, 'cause sometimes it dries a little crazy. So